Watch you when you say what you are and when you blame everyone. You broken king. Watch you change the frame or watch you when you take your aim at the sound of everything. But you and your heart shouldn't feel so far apart. You can choose what you take. Why you gotta break it, make it feel so hard? Hello everybody, I'm Vasco from ukulelecheats.com, and today I'll show you how I'm playing You and Your Heart by Jack Johnson. We're making it in the original key. Let's jump right in. Okay, first let me show you the chords that we need for the song. So we need the chord of A, the chord of G, the chord of D. I'm grabbing it like this. Maybe you will be more comfortable with this way to grab it. Try them both. And after that, we also need the chord of F sharp and the chord of G sharp. And we're always using it after the G. So pretty much when we have F sharp, you're just sliding this one fret, okay? And try to avoid the G string. And when we have G sharp, you're just sliding it one fret up. All right, and also we have the chord of E7. All right, let's see the parts now. All right, in the intro, I'm doing a little finger style thing. So I'm coming right now closer to show you. All right, so basically we're doing A to G to D for 2 bars. And around it, I'm doing something like this with the pinky on the 4th fret of the A string. Okay, I'm holding the A chord and I'm... All right. Pa, 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 down. All right, and then we go to the G chord, but I'm not pressing on the A string with the middle finger. I'm just holding my middle finger right here to make the string muted, okay? Not really pressing, but just holding it like this, all right? And then I'm doing then A string open, and then A string 2nd fret, all right? So only on the G chord, I'm doing this. And then we go to the D chord. All right? And I'm repeating these 2 times, which is basically the D chord, but I'm trying to focus more on strumming the C string. Da, 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 da. Then on the E string, 2, 3, 2. All right? All right, so let's see how it goes, the whole thing. Okay, and after the intro, we start the verse, which is pretty much the same chords. A to G to D twice. And the string pattern I'm doing is something like down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, up, up. Only on this down, I'm adding the middle finger here on the D chord, which makes it the D suspended 4, just for this strum, and then releasing it. And then we go to the chorus, which is G, U, to A, your heart, to D, so far apart, to G. And now we do one strum on F sharp, and then again G, A to D to G, and then we do G sharp when we're about to go back to the intro / interlude. And after that we have another verse, another chorus, and the second chorus is longer, it's double the time, so we're doing G to F sharp 3 times, and on the 4th time we're doing G to G sharp, and we go to the bridge, which is A to D, A to D, A to D, A to D, and now E7. You draw so many lines on the sand from the fingernails on your hand. How you gonna scratch any backs? Better hope that I will take your life away. Take all her lines and hope that I will take her lines and hope that I will take her lines away. Take her lines away. You finish it on A, and on the bridge the chords are shorter, so in the middle of the string pattern we're changing the chords, so down 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 up up down 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 up down 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 up up down 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 up down 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 up up down 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 up down 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 up up down 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 up. The E7 is the long chord. And yeah, pretty much this sums up the tutorial for You and Your Heart by Jack Johnson. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.